What's the story with this old car?
It's old.
It's old.
It's a Ford.
Look at this guy.
No, that's a knockoff, obviously. That there?
Mike?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably just pieced together something.
Tell you what, you got quite a stock of stuff in here.
Well, I just got 12 bikes out there. I'm getting 14 more bikes at the end of the week, and I'm like, I don't know where I'm going to put them on.
Well, this is something I know a little bit about. It's a 74, or an 80, I should say.
We don't even know where the VIN is on this one.
Well, they won't be on it. The VIN's right here on it, right here. Where's your light at? Right here's the VIN. Right
That's
there.
it?
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
Right there. Here's where the VIN is.
So just like usual on other bikes.
Well, I guess it depends what year of bike it is.
Case stamp.
They never started putting VINs on frames until, I don't know what year it was. They started putting them on frames, but they were just on the motor.
Yeah.
The VIN's only on the motor, right below on the bottom. And then your case halves on the bottom will have a VIN on them. Well, not a VIN on them, but they'll have a stamp on it for left and right side case. They've been changed or not changed, or what evolution this went through. But yeah.
Look at that. Avery's already teaching you something.
Yep.
I tell you what. You ever rode one of these? They're very interesting. You got to make sure you kick it out of gear before you get to the intersection, or you'll stall it in the middle of the road.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I got a really, really, really good 1945 WLA.
I'm surprised they even have switch shifters. I'm surprised it's not a hand shifter.
It is right here.
Oh, that's it?
There's your gear shifting knob.
Oh.
Your mouse strap here,
Yeah, okay.
right there. Yeah.
That's
Advance. Right here. See the distributor move?
Yep.
So your advance, your throttle, right here. You take and push it all the way back. Advances. No, retard it all the way back. Retard it all the way back. Kick it over 3 or 4 times. Turn your key on, and give her the what for, and it'll pop and start. And then you take and move your advance a little bit and advance it, and away you go. And it runs it away you go on the street.
I wouldn't take my chances on it.
What's that?
I wouldn't take my chances on it.
The spark plug's on it. Yeah, they're cool. Very, very, very interesting to ride. Very interesting to ride. Yeah, anyways.
So what brings you down to Florida?
Come down here and take a look around a little bit and see what's happening. Come to check it out.
Paul Sr. from Orange County Choppers is right next door.
Yeah, we were just over there actually.
Okay.
Yeah. I got tired of shoveling snow. I figured I'd come down here and see what...
You guys are all up in Canada, right?
Yeah. I just come out of... I don't know what there was probably... I don't know, it wasn't that bad. Probably where we lived, there was probably about 4 inches of snow maybe on a good day.
Still got that shop up there?
Yeah.
Finally sell it?
No, Mike still got his shop. He just doesn't do anything a whole lot anymore. But
Yeah.
I still fix the odd thing, but only my own stuff in my shop.
Dude,
So.
when I was watching that show, I would get just as frustrated as you were. You're like, sell something, get something put together and sell it. It's like, you got all this stuff, sell it.
It all works out in the end, but I tell you what, he drags shit home. I tell you what, man.
It's like another project.
I'm project out. I got a couple of them in the shop and I just walked away from them. They can still sit there. They'll be there when I get back.
What makes me jealous is like all those cars that sit out in the field. It's like, oh yeah, battery, spark plugs, gas, air in the tires,
Way
starts
to go.
up and rolls, and I'm like,
Yeah.
I got a 83 280ZX Datsun was from South Dakota, New Mexico, and now here.
That stuff's coming right up in price, eh?
Yeah.
Like right up. The old 240s, 280s,
But-
all that stuff is coming up in price.
My buddy's had it his whole life, and the floors are starting to rust out on it. I replaced the T-tops.
Let me tell you something.
All the stuff.
Them Datsuns, when they were coming across on the boat, they were rusting as they come across. Hey? Yeah.
So,
Anyways,
I'm trying to slowly restore that. But
I tell you what, nothing in about 800 hours won't solve, eh?
I have no idea.
Stage 4, what is it, 104, 106, 8, 10?
131, actually.
131? Okay.
we've been doing a lot of 131s and 135s.
Hey guys,
That's a 35?
you like big jugs? This is the place you want to come to see big jugs. Right here.
Hey, Billy.
I've been dicking around. I only got old stuff. The last thing I was working on is the same thing as I was just showing them how to start that old motorcycle out there. I got a 42, 45
Oh, nice.
WLA
Yeah.
that I brought home in 7 crates to put back together.
Wow.
Yeah,
It's pretty cool, man.
it come out really, really well actually.
Nice.
But yeah, this new stuff.
Yeah.
My shovel head's got a leaky rocker box on it. My kid put the wrong shim in it.
Yeah.
So it's puking oil all over the fucking road. But yeah.
I thought that was just normal.
Yeah.
They always like.
Very cool.
But yeah, right on. You guys got a nice shop. It looks nice. Yeah.
Pretty big, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. This is a paint job. Patina paint job.
It's fairly.
This customer comes in and spends all like this is his bike as well. And that's his. And he's got other bikes. He's been doing all his work to them. That's a custom paint job from our guy next door.
I tell you what. There's no limit amount of money you can spend on a motorcycle. I tell you what. No limit.
I actually came across, got a 2004 lowrider that was a flood bike, and I got it running in like 4 hours. And then I traded it in on another bike.
Not from the hurricane?
Yeah. A customer donated it to the store, and I was like, I'll take it.
Distance, eh?
Yeah.
It must be a big bore bitch. Sure not much skirt on him, eh? I love it.
Yeah, Avery's telling you about the hurricanes down here. We had a lot of
Oh, I guess you get lots of flood stuff, eh, in a hurricane?
We've always been able to withstand all of them, but those last two, Milton and what's her name, was completely wiped out.
I tell you what, what's her name? What's her name is usually the worst. Every what's her name I know has always been a bad hurricane. They'll blow you and take everything.
Exactly what happened. It destroyed my downtown neighborhood. We got this bad boy right here.
I tell you what.
Looking sports for camper.
What is that, an S&S Super B on there, or what is that?
I have no idea.
What's that?
Super B.
Super D?
E.
E, Super E? I know just about enough to barely have a conversation on it.
And they mounted the filter on the bottom. I've never seen that.
My shovel head has I think it's got a Super E on it, I think, with an enrichment idle circuit on it, I think.
Probably. Is it low?
It starts good.
Yeah, it's probably a B.
Maybe it is a B.
It's a B with
Idle enrichment circuit on it?
it's the accelerator pump.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you get a couple kicks and it fires up.
Yeah, B's or D's don't usually have accelerator pumps,
Okay.
but there are some.
It's been such a long time I looked at it. My kid rides it. I can't stand the fucking thing. It vibrates so bad that it vibrates so bad you just don't even want to drive it anymore.
Oh, actually, I might have another cool piece of motorcycle for you.
Looks like my kid was driving this bike, no front fender on it.
That's how I got mine. I got two dynos. There's a Liberty Ultra.
Fuck, there's a lot of stuff in here. Wow. Is this used stuff or stuff to be fixed or sale or what is?
This is all stuff that's way on parts. Probably a Davidson Liberty edition. It runs. This guy wanted to do a bunch of updating stuff to it. I'm like, wait, it might not be compatible. Like it needs handlebar bushings, a seat. He wants to do an LED radio. He wants to get his emblems replaced, which I did
Well,
find on eBay.
unfortunately, not be bad mouthing anything. It looks like the wonderful world of corrosion.
Mm-hmm. His dad passed away, and he wanted to get it.
Well, that was
better condition.
On that case, yeah.
But other than that, I mean, besides detailing, it's like unless you replace
tell you what.
every single one of these things.
It is like going down the rabbit hole. You fix one thing and the other thing looks bad.
Yeah,
Either leave it the way it is and leave the look of it in honor of his dad and leave it like that, or if you start going into it.
Mm-hmm. My buddy's got a 91 Ultra and then a 92 FLHX, and he got those for cheap, like $600 a piece.
Now, what do you do? Rebuilds here? Or again, these are just.
Yeah, depending on what the job is. This bike down here, signature on there. Canini 96 painted this bike, and it's somebody's.
There's one thing I've never ever been able to fathom is why a paint job on a motorcycle is worth just as much as it is on a car. That's something I've never been able to figure out yet.
But yeah, check this one out. That's a Sportster.
I tell you what, these Sportsters, they got some really interesting, nice-looking kits that they put on them. I tell you what, they're a good-looking bike. As much as everybody likes to badmouth a Sportster,
That was my first bike.
they're actually better handling than these big blocks over here. Like I say, I only got old stuff. I got an old prehistoric shovel head.
I just watched a guy on YouTube turn an 03 anniversary into a chopper, and he got a custom sprocket plate back here, and then he took all this around here is just cosmetic. So it's like you take this off and you see the back, and you can cut all this out. And the way he cut it made it look awesome. So he burned some fat off of that, and then he made it into a hardtail. Kept the original anniversary paint job. And it came out looking sweet.
It's got a beehive taillight in it. An aftermarket beehive taillight. That taillight, if it was real, is worth about $1,000.
This is my bike. When I got it, it had 5,000 miles on it, and I put it back together. I put the starter back in it, flushed the gas, spark plugs, and it fired right up. And I was like, I gotta get this thing out of here. I just stole it for $1,000.
I tell you what, it's a good deal.
This is an 08 Dyna,
You know what? What is that? No weight. That would be what, an 80 cubic inch?
96.
96.
And then I got it running, and I was like, there was like the thing that holds the fender on. There's a bracket inside that was rolled up like a sardine can, so that was what was hard to push. And I took that off, bent it right back out, stuck it right back in there, and it fired right over. And I was like, ooh. And then the only thing I had to do was a clutch adjustment.
You got to ask yourself sometimes, how does shit like that happen? Like I tell you what, you
I
get
had to
looking
take this out of the guy's kitchen. He was starting to take it apart in his kitchen. I'm like, what are you doing?
You're my kind of guy.
And then this is a buddy of mine's 94 Sportster Hugger. He got this for $2,000.
You got a lot of weird corrosion here. The salt water in the air must kill everything, eh?
Florida sucks.
Yeah, I noticed the spokes and the aluminum here on the.
This bike is originally from here, and it sat outside of my house. It actually sat outside during those last 2 hurricanes, and it was fine. The primary got some moisture in it, but it still started, and I rode it, and I just flushed the primary fluid a couple times.
The wonderful world of corrosion. It just eats everything. I tell you what.
Cancer. Rust is cancer.
I tell you what. The understatement.
Good. Yeah, how are you, man?
Just out looking around.
Yeah?
Got tired of shoveling snow, so I figured I'd come down here and see what was happening.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet. How are you, buddy?
Thank you. I worked it.
Sweet. Oh yes.
I had a job once, it was way overrated. Where's 15 minutes of my life? So what do you do nowadays?
Oh, I'm unemployed.
I like that.
No, I've been working with my dad over there. We're filming a show.
How's that working out? Working
Pretty
with
good.
family?
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I take a lot of breaks. I go outside, sit by the dumpster.
There's some wonderful stuff here. Stuff we don't see. Like it's your population. Your population is way more than ours is,
Yeah.
and you got a lot more. Like there's just a lot more of everything here.
Oh yeah. Shit
Yeah.
tons. Yeah. And there is everything of everything here.
I tell you
Yeah.
what.
We got Walmart.
I like
got Walmart's up again?
Yeah, I like the old stuff. Like that. What is that? An 80 or an 84 or an 80? The old Springer in the front there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sweet.
Yeah. I put a 1942 WLA together here probably about 2 years ago.
Oh really?
It was in crates for just about 20 years, and I put it together. The thing's about 95%, 100% original.
Really?
Yeah, and it was a Lend-Lease motorcycle.
Where was it hung up? Where was it in storage?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I bought it off a guy that owned a local bar.
Oh really?
Yeah, at Falkland Pub, I bought it off.
He just sat on it.
It did. Well, he got it from another guy that got it from probably another guy that got it from another guy. And it just was never put together. But it was a Lend-Lease bike. This bike was in Russia, supposedly.
Yeah.
It went to Russia and then come back.
Really?
Yeah.
Jeez. Probably been fluoridated with communism or something.
Exactly. They brought it back and cleansed it.
Yeah.
Are you still into the mopeds?
Not much.
Yeah.
I wiped out on a scooter drunk about 9 years ago.
I tell
and
you what.
Hurt my knee a little
Yeah, I
bit.
Tell you what.
Yeah,
I used to have a GoPed when they first come out.
yeah.
Them GoPeds.
Yeah.
I used to drive around the local bar.
Yeah.
I tell you what, it caused a lot of carnage.
Oh,
You
sure.
get half pissed, get on that thing, you go drive it down the road, hit a rock, and you're just ass over apple cart.
Oh,
or
yeah.
somebody figures they need to take it for a ride after about 6 whiskeys.
Yeah.
Not a good idea.
Not a great idea.
You got a microphone on you right now. You're all wired for sound. Hey,
Yeah.
hey, you can always tell, eh? Hey, hey.
I'm collecting evidence.
He's collecting evidence. He's wired. Do you watch our other show? It's called Back Road Truckers.
Yeah.
Back Road Craig, the real live criminal.
Yeah.
Like he is a real live criminal. I took the producer just about 2 weeks to get him to wear a microphone.
Really?
Yeah. He just would not wear a microphone. Craig would not wear a
no
microphone.
kidding.
It's the same
Afraid
thing.
of saying something
Well,
incriminating.
it wasn't that. It was just he figured he was wired being a rat, so he
Oh,
wouldn't wear
okay.
the fucking thing.
Oh no shit! That's
Yeah.
pretty funny, man.
Okay. Looking forward to seeing you again.
Yeah, these are the new Sportsters. They're basically V-Rods. V-Rod motor in them.
That's very interesting.
Yeah.
It's you know what they say. There's an ass for every seat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like my twin cams.
I tell you what. A Twinkie. Look at this rust, eh? It just gets everything. Just everything everywhere. Look at that.
Florida for you.
I tell you what.
Yeah, look at this one. I've only seen 2 of these bikes since I've been back working here. These are the Sportster Roadsters.
You know what? I had a Sportster. I had to think of what it was. I had a 1983 or 1984 Sportster. No. It was an 83 or an 84. It had a weird motor in it with a knucklehead or whatever, a weird motor in it. And they only built it for a couple of years. It had twin carburetors on it, dual pipes. Yeah. Why can't I remember what it was? I don't know. But I never ever did road it. I bought it. I had it for about 3 years. I never left my buddy's shop, old Jimmy Hoy. And Jimmy decided he wanted it back, and I sold it back to him. I never rode it. Hey, I noticed your name tag. Why do you call Teabag? I'm really curious about that. I'm almost half scared to ask why they call you that. Why?
Well, one night after my bowling league, I got drunk on Fireball, climbed over a wooden railing, and something caught me. And it took me a minute to realize I had to look at my shorts, look at my boxers, and I'm like, oh, yep, I'm caught. So, yeah.
He's nutted. I tell you what, you got a wonderful place here. We're at Burt's.
Burt's Barracuda Harley Davidson on 49th Street, right across from Quaker Steak and Lube in St. Pete / Clearwater. And this used to be the old 49er flea market.
Oh, no shit, eh?
Yep.
I tell you what, guys, it's a really good shop. Stop by here if you're around. Take a look. There's some stuff here that you need to see. I tell you what a great place, Burt's. You need to come down here, you guys. Take a gander at all the stuff's in here. Wonderful, man. Wonderful.